you guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Yada. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are about to go shopping. I am outside of Aldi right now. I have a grocery list of items that I need to get, and y'all, this grocery list is long because you know what? Look at my fridge. Just look at it. It's on E, okay? On E, empty. So I'm gonna try to challenge myself to only spend $30. Now y'all know Aldi food is literally where you come when you want to grocery shop on a budget, because they have all the good organic stuff for cheap. So yeah, so I'm here right now. It's actually no line. I'm about to put my mask on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I get from out of here, and then at the end of this video I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul. So if you guys want to see what I'm getting and how much I'm spending, then go ahead and keep watching this video. I'm back in the car, and I did pretty good. I did go over my budget or my challenge of spending $30, but here's my receipt. So I didn't do that bad. $34.84. And honestly, if I wouldn't have got that ice cream, but that ice cream is so good, if I wouldn't have got that ice cream, because it definitely was not on my list of items to get, then I would have been at $30, or like maybe a few change over $30. But yeah, so pat on the back. I did pretty good. They didn't have everything that I wanted, but I'm gonna go to another store to go get some other items that was on my list. And yeah, on to the next. Okay y'all, so I just got home and I literally just shopped. Like, I'm not the only one that live here. I spent way too much money at the grocery store because I went to 3 stores, by the way. You guys got to see what I was looking at Aldi, and I'm gonna show you everything I got from Aldi. I did, as y'all see my receipt, I did spend $34 at Aldi. I did go to Meijer. I spent $20 there. And then this last grocery store, I just spent $40. $40, y'all. Like, I just almost spent $100 on groceries for one person. But to all of my friends and family that is watching this video right now, don't ask me to go out to eat because I'm not trying to spend no money, okay? Okay, so I got this hat on because I need to refresh my braids, but from Aldi, this is what I got. So I picked up these organic blue corn tortilla chips, which these are really good, by the way. They didn't have the other pita bread that I got last time, but they had whole wheat, and I figured whole wheat is better for you anyway. So I picked that up. Got me some shrimp, some Brussels sprouts. I did pick up some flour tortilla when I do my little tacos. Some spinach. Cilantro. I got these meatless meatballs. These are Italian flavored, but this is the brand Earthgrown, and I've had not the Italian ones, but just like the regular meatballs, and they are really good. So I picked up some fresh broccoli, some baby spinach and arugula mixed salad because I've definitely been wanting a salad lately. Got sweet potato. These are so fire. Chipotle salmon burgers. So fire, y'all. And then I picked up some crunchy fish fillets, and I like to do fish tacos every now and then, so I picked up those. And then lastly from Aldi, this is what put my total over $34, because this was over $30, because this was not on my list of items to get. But y'all, this right here, this vanilla ice cream is so good. It's made with almond milk, but it's really good. So yeah, I got all of that for $30. Now, from the other stores, which I went to Strax, which is here in my local area, and Meyer. So from Strax, I got this B8 Splash, and this is a fruit medley drink. If y'all, this really tastes like a better Hawaiian punch to me. So I got that and some cranberry juice. I needed some ranch, and this roasted garlic parmesan Alfredo sauce is so good, y'all. So good. They didn't have my particular bread, so I ended up getting this honey wheat, and since it's just me by myself, I always get a half loaf. And of course, some more eggs. Meyer, they had their salmon for $5.99 a pound, so I did pick up some fresh salmon as well as organic tofu, and I get the extra firm. I got my Morningstar buffalo chicken patties. These are so good, by the way. Some red cabbage. And then just some lime and lemon. And y'all, if y'all never tried Meyer's spinach dip, y'all sleep. This is so freaking good. It's so good, and it's like, I think it's like $3.99 for this size, right? So I also picked up some avocados. I picked up some oranges. I picked up a pineapple, and I picked up some grapes. I also picked up rice, and I get the jasmine rice by Uncle Ben, and I get the whole grain rice by Uncle Ben. Now, when I need a snack, y'all, this is my little healthy snack. Caramel flavor little rice cakes. I love these, by the way. And last, y'all, I know it's a lot. That's why I say I feel like I went shopping for a whole family and not just myself, because this is a lot of stuff. But y'all seen how my fridge and freezer was looking on empty. I also had to get some cheese, which I got Parmesan and mozzarella. Some shredded carrots. Just some sour cream. And lastly, so I seen this commercial by Country Crock. They have a plant base or a plant butter with olive oil. Is it focusing? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I seen a commercial and I'm like, I need to try that butter. So I picked it up. But yeah, y'all, so this is literally everything. All this food, I'm telling you, all of this food is going to last me for a minute. So again, don't ask me to go nowhere. I'll just cook, okay? I'll just cook. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching me go grocery shop, as well as seeing all the items that I picked up, just in case you need a few ideas if you're becoming a pescatarian, or even if you're not a pescatarian. Like, I did get some stuff that was plant-based, or seafood, but a lot of this other stuff is not. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.